A Complete Guide to PPC, Marketing Managed, Phil Bacon. Introduction. What is PPC? PPC is a form of internet advertising where the advertiser pays the publisher, usually a search engine or an ad network, when the ad is clicked. The main goal of PPC marketing is to generate leads. In other words, PPC is a type of lead generation strategy that uses paid advertising on search engines and other websites to generate leads for businesses. PPC ads are usually delivered via text, image, or video format and can include extensions such as callouts and rich media buttons. What are the benefits of PPC advertising? PPC marketing is a cost-effective way to generate leads and sales. It's a popular form of online advertising because it can be set up in a few minutes with the ability to measure campaign performance in real time. The benefits of PPC advertising are that it's easy to set up, has low startup costs, and can be scaled up or down depending on how much budget you have. It is great for a short-term strategy to convert customers, but then you'll need to start thinking about a long-term strategy for retaining those customers who have already converted. PPC is great for retargeting customers who have abandoned their basket or those who have purchased with you but have not purchased with you in a certain amount of time. How does a PPC campaign work and why choose it over other marketing channels? A PPC campaign is a great way to reach your target audience. It's a type of advertising that allows you to purchase ad space on Google, Bing, or Yahoo at the right time and in the right place. PPC ads are targeted so they're more relevant and cost efficient than other types of marketing channels. You can set up your campaign in less than an hour and it'll only cost you very little amount per day. What are the components of a successful paid search marketing strategy? Paid search marketing is a form of digital marketing where advertisers pay to have their ads appear in a search engine's sponsored links. Here are the components of a successful paid search marketing strategy. Targeting. The first step in any successful paid search marketing strategy is targeting. It's important to know who you want your ads to reach and what keywords they are searching so that you can create an effective campaign. Optimization. Optimizing your campaigns will help you focus on what works best for your company, and it will allow you to track data and see how well each keyword performs over time. One way optimization can be done is by setting up conversion tracking codes on the landing page of your website so that you can see how many visitors click on your ads and then purchase something from your site. Content should be tailored to the searcher's intent and should also answer questions about the product or service being offered in order. Now you have a good understanding PPC, how it works and what strategy to adopt. Need help with your PPC campaign? Get in touch today. We are beyond. Marketing Managed provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business. It's unique. Then we get to work on planning, building your strategy and adding sizzle to your marketing. Our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing, and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic